Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the beauty of wooden screen door design ideas that bring both style and functionality to your home. Wooden screen doors are more than just an entryway. They add a touch of warmth, charm, and character to any house. Whether you live in a modern home or a cozy cottage, these doors can instantly elevate the look of your exterior. Let's begin with classic lattice designs. These are simple yet elegant, allowing fresh air to flow while keeping insects out. Perfect for traditional style homes. For a more decorative appeal, go for carved wooden screen doors with intricate patterns. They act as a design statement while blending beauty with purpose. If you love modern minimalism, flat wooden screens with sleek horizontal or vertical slats are a great choice. Pair them with glass panels for a stylish, contemporary touch. You can also customize your wooden screen door with paint, stains, or natural finishes to match your home's exterior. Add hardware like vintage handles or brass hinges for extra charm. So whether you want rustic